Good morning, students. From today, we'll be going through the exercises of chapter 5, soil. Now, coming to exercises on page number 60. Okay, the first one is let's understand objective type questions. Fill in the blanks with the correct words. Now, dash mixes with humus to form dash. So, what will mix with humus to form what? So, sand or soil में कौन सा आएगा? Sand mixes with humus to form soil. Okay. Next is dash particles are the smallest soil particles. Smallest कौन से थे? Clay particles are the smallest soil particles. Dash is the best soil for growing plants. कौन से थे? Loamy या clay? Loam. So loam is the best soil for growing plants. Now the next one is dash is very fertile because it contains humus. Subsoil होगा या topsoil? Topsoil में जहाँ पे humus is found. So it is very fertile. The topsoil is very fertile. Fertile means जहाँ vegetation और plants अच्छे से grow करते हैं. ठीक है. Now coming to fifth one, soil can be dashed by planting more trees and by building dams across rivers. क्या करेगा? Soil conserve होगा या erode होगा? Conserve means you are preserving or you are trying to save. और erode का मतलब you are destroying the soil or it is going to be washed away. So soil can be conserved by planting more trees. We can conserve the soil by planting more trees and by building dams across the rivers. Now coming to choose the correct options. So which of these does soil contain? Soil contains what? It contains sand. Yes. Does it contain minerals? Yes, it contains. So remains of dead plants and animals. Humus. Yes, it contains this also. So all of these. D is the correct answer. All of these. Coming to which of these refers to loamy soil? Loamy soil में क्या क्या था? Equal portions of sand, clay and silt. Now, it is best for growing plants. Yes, it is best for growing plants. It contains equal portions of sandy, clay and silt. Yes. It allows water to pass through easily. Yes, it allows water to pass through. Now, the answer will be all of these. Now, coming to question number 3. Which of these refers to the remains of dead plants and animals? Remains of dead plants and animals. क्या है? Sand, humus, clay, gravel. It is humus. Okay, humus. Now fourth is which of these layers can be easily washed away by strong winds and water? Strong winds और water कौन सा soil ले जाता है? It takes the top soil. Subsoil नीचे होता है and bedrock is even more below the subsoil. So it takes away what? It takes away topsoil. Now which of these does not hold water at all? जो पानी बिल्कुल hold नहीं करता है वो कौन सा है? Sandy, loamy, clayey and or none of these? It is sandy soil. Water just passes through the sand. It does not hold the water. So question number 6 is which of these help in protecting the soil from getting washed away? Planting more trees and bushes, avoiding planting of trees. So planting more trees and bushes, they help in protecting the soil from getting washed away. ज़्यादा plant करोगे, the roots are going to hold the soil from getting washed away. Now, avoiding planting of trees, it will not help you protect the soil. Construction of dams, they are also going to help you in protecting the soil. When the soil or the flow of the rivers is going to be managed, controlled way में जब पानी भेजा जाएगा नीचे, तो the top soil will not be washed away, है ना? So the answer is going to be A and C. Okay. Now coming to be which of these soil is rough and gritty? I've told you which one is rough and gritty. The part in which the particles are larger. The sandy soil. Sandy soil is rough and gritty and does not become sticky when wet. If it is wet sandy soil, it will not stick to your hands. आपके हाथ में नहीं चिपकता, and that is your sandy soil. Now coming to write T for true and F for false statement. First one is plants and animals cause weathering of rocks. What causes weathering of rocks? They are not plants and animals. Wind and water, they cause weathering of rocks. Plants to an extent, yes. Now coming to 2, plants give us food and take in oxygen. So plants, they give us food. Yes, they give us food, but do they take in oxygen? No, they take in carbon dioxide. So here the answer is wrong. So your answer is false. Third one, soil contains air and water besides minerals and other nutrients. Yes, soil also contains air and water with the minerals and other nutrients. So the answer is true. Now, strong winds, heavy rainfall and cutting down of trees decrease soil erosion. No, they increase soil erosion. What is soil erosion? The soil erosion is the removal of fertile topsoil by the action of wind and water. So, it increases soil erosion, not decreases. So, the answer is false. Trees and bushes should be planted to increase soil erosion. Trees, if you plant trees and bushes, they are going to do what? They are going to कंजर्व सॉइल, सॉइल को, टॉप सॉइल को बचाएंगे, ना कि इरोड करेंगे. इंक्रीज सॉइल इरोजन मतलब कि दे आर गोइंग टू increase the removal of fertile soil. नहीं, they are going to decrease soil erosion. So the answer here is also false. Okay. Now coming to very short answer type questions. Give one word for the following. The process of breaking down of big pieces of rock into smaller pieces by wind and water is called what? It is called weathering. Next is the topsoil of the earth's surface where plants grow. The top layer is called as what? It is called as topsoil. Next is soil that does not hold water at all. मैंने बताया जिसमें पानी बिल्कुल hold नहीं होता. What is that soil? It is sandy soil. Now next is soil that feels smooth when dry and lumpy and sticky when wet. क्या है? They are the clayey soil. वो बहुत sticky होते हैं. When they are wet, it is going to stick to your hands. जब हम pottery बनाते हैं, you can remember when you make pottery, so it is very lumpy and sticky when it is wet. So it is clay soil. Now coming to fifth one, the removal of fertile topsoil by the action of wind and water. इसको क्या बोलते हैं? Removal of fertile topsoil is called as soil erosion. Okay, now question answers we will be doing tomorrow, next class. Next, this can be done as homework. Okay, here they are asking, recall and complete the concept of map which is given below. It's not very clear. Complete the concept of map given below. So the soil has what? How many types of soil are there? That you have to write down. How many types of soil are there? And what is the composition of soil and the layers of soil? Layers of soil कौन कौन से थे? Topsoil, subsoil and bedrock. Now what is the composition of soil? It has silt, clay and sand. And what is the types of soil? They are clayey soil, sandy soil and loamy soil. Okay. Next is let's observe. Label the different layers of soil profile. ये आपको label करने हैं. You know, everybody knows, so please do this. Now look closely and name any three things that this soil contains. इस soil में आपको क्या क्या दिखता है वो you have to write. Only 3 of them you have to write it down here. Okay. So that's it for today. Thank you so much. Tomorrow we will be going through the question answers of chapter 5. That's it. Thank you so much.